Hello, welcome to Anjus universe. Today I am going to do vermicelli dessert or Semiya payas. So what I am doing here is I am dry roasting some vermicelli, and just without any oil we have to dry roast, or you can put some little bit of ghee also while roasting it. So I'm going to roast it first, and here I have put some milk to boil to thicken little bit, and further I'll show you the next step by step how to do it. As you can see, our vermicellis are nice golden brown in color. So I will remove this, and few things we need to fry. I'm going to use same pan. So let me show you the things we need for this. So here's some raisins, sugar I have not taken much because I'm adding this condensed milk. This is ghee, this is homemade ghee, clarified butter, and these are some cardamoms, some green and like 3 pieces of green cardamom and 1 black. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the seeds, not the skin of that. And here are some cashew nuts. So I'm going to fry these cashew nuts into this ghee. So let me empty this pan and take out the semiyas, and then I'll fry in same pan. I'm going to put some ghee, clarified butter in that same pan. I've taken out those vermicellis here. I'm going to fry in this ghee those cashew nuts. These cashews are nice and golden brown. I'm going to add the raisins also. This is done. I will switch off the gas. And here milk is also hot. Now I am going to add the semiyas or the vermicelli. So we have to stir it for some time, otherwise at the bottom it will be like thick lump type. So we'll keep stirring for 1 to 2 minutes. It started boiling now, so I'm going to add the cardamom, which I have crushed it, sugar, and condensed milk. We'll stir it till that sugar is dissolved. So it's done. Now I'm going to add the dry fruits, cashew and the raisins, which I have roasted in clarified butter, ghee. And we'll switch off the gas and let it cool down for room temperature. Then only it will taste nice. These types of desserts, it will taste even more better if it is cold or chilled. So what, I'll wait to cool down, then only I'll serve it. Here's our vermicelli dessert is ready, or the Seviyan Kheer. So do make it, enjoy it, and Keep watching my videos. I'll be back soon with new videos. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye for now.